We look at Zerotier, it's basically a fully software-defined network, SDN, that eliminates a layer of 2 over the internet. Now what this means is it basically has layer 2 networking, meaning it eliminates a switch to an Ethernet type device or situation in the world, and it supports custom routing. So if you're looking for just more custom locations, just customizable abilities, this is definitely the VPN for you. And it's also cross-platform and it's very customizable. Like I said, it's very flexible when it comes to network setups and including hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. So yeah, it's one of those VPNs that you should probably use if you really need to rely on just custom things. But it is limited when it does come to configuration and management, but it can be complex to set up, which is a con to using this VPN. But it does take some time to set up, like I said, and once you actually start using it, it does become flawless. But just the learning curve to this VPN, even though that's not much of a thing when it comes to VPNs, is slightly more than the average VPN, which is why it might not be ideal, but it is ideal for power uses, network engineers, and businesses needing advanced network features like layer 2 capabilities. So yeah, that's a good reason about this VPN.